Hi there. In this AiTube review, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you create and grow a fully automated YouTube channel using the power of AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal from testedapps.com, a six-figure affiliate marketer with 6 years of experience in the game. I make honest, practical reviews to help you discover the best tools and strategies to grow your online income. If that sounds good to you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a gold mine like this one. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you if you grab AiTube through my link below. Just check the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. What is AiTube? AiTube is the world's first all-in-one AI-powered YouTube automation app. It turns any blog post, URL, or even a single keyword into engaging, ready-to-upload YouTube videos, complete with AI voiceovers, subtitles, stock assets, and more. It's designed for anyone who wants to. Launch a YouTube channel fast, get more traffic, monetize affiliate offers, or even sell videos to clients as a service. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even touch a video editor. The AI handles it all. Now, let's be real. This isn't some overnight get-rich scheme. AiTube gives you powerful tools and automation, but like any business, you'll still need to take action and upload content consistently to see results. That said, it saves hours of work and gives you an unfair advantage, especially if you hate video editing or have no tech skills. Features that impressed me: AI Video Generator. Just input a keyword or link and watch it turn into a full video, multilingual AI voiceovers. Over 100 languages and accents, auto subtitles and captions. Boost your video SEO and viewer retention. Drag and drop editor. Super beginner-friendly, royalty-free assets. No need to buy stock photos or videos. Commercial license. Make and sell videos to clients. This tool is stacked. I've been testing video tools for years, and this is honestly one of the easiest ways to pump out content fast. How it works. Step 1. Log in and start a new video. Step 2. Add a blog link, keyword, or text content. Step 3. Let the AI generate a video, customize it if needed, and download or publish. That's it. No learning curve, no tech overwhelm. Let's play a quick demo video to show you how smooth the process is.
Do you know what the hottest opportunity in 2025 is for the average person? You know, the average person looking to quit their job and go full-time online or just pocket a passive 50, 100, even 500 bucks a day on the side? If not, I'll tell you. It's faceless YouTube channels. That's right. You don't need to be on camera at all. And now with the power of our new AI robot, you don't even need to make videos or do anything else that's usually required with building YouTube channels. In fact, our new AI-powered robot creates as many set and forget YouTube channels as we want. That pulling around 500 bucks a day for us on complete autopilot. How many would you like to own? Introducing AiTube. Here's how easy this is. Click 1. Grab a copy, click on any of the links on this page to get instant access to AiTube. Click 2. Set up, start your set and forget AI-powered, faceless YouTube channel in any niche in 30 seconds by entering in some basic details. Click 3. Activate. We enjoy free traffic, leads, and $531 day thanks to the AI robot that fully runs our faceless YouTube channels without us lifting a finger. There's no technical setup, no video recording, no investment needed, no speaking, no reading, no waiting for results, and no waiting to get paid. This is literally the best way we've seen to get results online. So how much is this going to cost? Well, how much is getting results online worth to you? I'm guessing $67 a month to make things a reality would be a bargain, right? But of course you aren't going to pay $67 a month. You aren't even going to pay $47 a month. No, not even $37 a month. In fact, you're not going to pay monthly at all. When you act right now during the special launch period, you can get in for a tiny one-time investment. But that's not all, because we believe in delighting our customers. So when you act right now, you'll also get our brand new bonus bundle absolutely free. You can see all the details below. These bonuses have never been offered before and are not available anywhere else for anybody to buy. But you get them absolutely free. And to make this a no-brainer for you, we're totally removing all the risk for you with our 365-day money-back guarantee. And to totally blow your socks off, when you act now, you also get our Get Results or Get Paid $250 money-back guarantee. If for some reason you don't get results with AiTube, just let us know what you tried, and not only will we send you your money back, we'll also send you $250. It's literally a win-win situation for you. But hurry, act fast, because the price really goes up every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more. So if you want to tap into this incredible AI-powered opportunity, then all you need to do is click the button below to lock in your spot. Remember, AiTube lets you create set and forget faceless YouTube channels that in our testing make an average of $531 a day for us. If you want to join in on the fun, then you know what you need to do. So hurry, click the Get Started button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.
Let's talk upgrades, OTOs. Here's what comes after you pick up the main AiTube offer at just $14.95. OTO 1. Unlimited Edition, $147. No usage limits. Create unlimited videos, projects, and automation. A must-have if you're serious about content or running client gigs. OTO 2-DFY. Setup $297. Let their team set everything up for you, from integrations to automations. Perfect if you're busy or want to skip the setup. OTO 3. Autopilot Edition $39. Activate full Onyx automation tools, so your channel grows hands-free with AI automation. OTO 4-200DFY campaigns $39. Get 200 done for you, proven to convert money-making campaigns that generated $50K plus for the creators. Plug, play, profit. OTO 5. Franchisee license $197. Earn 85% commissions across the whole funnel. Comes with tutorials to help you crush it, promoting AiTube as an affiliate. Choose the ones that match your goals. I highly recommend the Unlimited Edition and 200 DFY campaigns combo if you're aiming for long-term growth. What I like about AiTube, perfect for beginners. No tech skills needed, generates videos from simple input like keywords or URLs. Great for affiliate marketing, freelancing, YouTube growth, or building a personal brand. Comes with commercial rights, a huge win. What could be better? If you're looking to produce ultra-polished, Hollywood-level content, this might not be your thing. And as always, tools work if you use them. So don't expect results without action. If you're looking for a smart, time-saving way to create content, grow your traffic, and monetize with video, AiTube is 100% worth checking out. Grab it using my link below to unlock my exclusive bonuses, including done-for-you templates, traffic training, and tools I personally use to scale affiliate campaigns. Thanks for watching my AiTube review. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to use AiTube? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more real reviews and digital money-making tools.